Welcome to a new vlog. It is the 24th of May. It is Monday. Just in the same spot that we just ended last week's vlog at. It is actually almost midday right now. I'm not feeling too great. I think I caught the cold from everyone here. Billy's not feeling well either, so he's home from school, so we're just having a movie day. Our friends are both at work. Morgan's at work with Joel, and the other two kids are at school, so it's just Billy and I watching some movies, waiting for everyone to come home for lunch at the moment. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join the family, hit the subscribe button and change the notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And yeah, just real quick, we are still in the country. We will be going home later this afternoon because Morgan's job will be finished today out here. So yeah, it took 3 days because I had 2 jobs. So yeah, we will be going home this afternoon. I swapped my Monday to Wednesday, so instead of having Wednesday off, I've had today off and I'm going to be working Wednesday instead. So I'll check in if there's anything interesting, but it's probably just going to be going home today. So yeah, bye guys.
Bye.
Hey guys, so we're about to leave, but Mia just wanted to show you her chickens again. So she's renamed them, and unfortunately there's only 4 left. Is it 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, one of them unfortunately passed away. So at the moment she's got, what have you got?
Champion.
Champion. There's Champion. What was Champion's name before?
Adult.
Adult. So that used to be Adult, now Champion. Oh!
Sorry, Rose.
Rose is the little one. And this one, was this one Makeup Mascara?
No, this one was Matilda.
Oh, this one was Matilda.
Jesus, Matilda.
But it's now Rose.
Yep.
This one here is... was that Makeup Mascara?
No, there was another one there, but she would.
Well, what's this one's name now?
This one's This one's Bro.
Bro?
Yeah.
What's its name from before?
Bro.
Bro? Was that D's Nuts?
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's these nuts that used to be these nuts, but now it's Bro.
Where's Makeup Mascara?
This one for chasing.
Oh!
Seems
There it
like it's
is.
actual boy. And then we can tell it's...
And what's its new name?
We actually didn't change this one's name.
So this one's still Makeup Mascara?
Yep.
So the reason why she's named it Makeup Mascara was because she wanted to name it from its eyes. When I do the wings on my eyes, she thought that was mascara, so she named it Makeup Mascara because it has black wings on its eyes. Want to say hi and bye to the vlog?
Hi.
And bye.
Bye-bye.
We're about to head home, aren't we?
Yeah, sadly.
Yeah. How was school today?
Well, good.
Good?
Yeah, I had to go to school today.
You did, didn't you? But yes, Mia will be in another video later
Yeah.
when we come up next time.
Yep.
See, bye.
Bye-bye.
We're about to head off. So Billy's going to say goodbye to the vlog. Say bye.
Bye.
We had a good movie day, didn't we?
Yeah.
You're about to head back inside and look after yourself.
Yeah. What about Champion?
Morgan. Hi guys, good afternoon. It is actually Wednesday 26th of May. I'm absolutely freezing right now. The sun just doesn't want to come out, or it comes out for like, I don't know, like 2 seconds and then goes back behind the clouds. I am working today because I had a Monday off so that we could get all the work done in the country that Morgan needed to. So yeah, I wouldn't normally be working today. I'm actually having a pretty busy day today at work as well, so I completely thought it was like maybe 9-10 a.m. in the morning, but no, it's almost 1 p.m. So that's gone pretty fast, but that's what happens when you've got a busy day. But because I've got a busy day, I'm just sitting here working and not moving or anything, which means I'm cold. So yeah, I thought I would just come on and quickly check in. I didn't vlog yesterday because I haven't been feeling well. I do have a slight head cold. I have been taking some meds, and I think, I'm hoping it has stopped it in its tracks and that it won't get any worse. Hey guys, quick check-in. I haven't vlogged much and I'm sorry that this is super bouncy. I'll try not to do too much bounciness. I'm just going to the shops. It is actually Friday the 28th today. I don't think I've vlogged for the last few days, if I'm honest. I've just been trying to get over this cold. I've skipped swimming this week because I don't want to do anything that can make it worse. And it has been very cold overnight. It is between 5 to 7 degrees overnight, so I feel pretty crappy like late at night and then early in the morning. But yeah, I'm just going to the shops. I just need to grab a few things. I am doing another collab, which will come out I think next week, I think she said. So I just need to grab a few items for that. I will be filming that this weekend. Other than that, yeah, really not much has gone on. I've just been working and just trying to get over this cold. I'm so grateful that it hasn't gotten into my chest, because once it gets into my chest, that's it. Just been doing lots of editing as well. I have this week and next week's videos already filmed. This is so bouncy, I really apologize. Yeah, so I've just been getting those all ready to post. And I am sending a package to someone else that I'm doing a collab with today. Not the collab today, I'm sending a package to her today. She lives in the US, so I'm sending her a package and she's sending me a package. So yeah, I'm going out to do that today because I'm not working. I haven't been out all week just to make sure that I get better. So yeah, I will probably check in with you guys later now. Hey guys, quick check-in. It is Saturday, I think it's 29th. Yeah, 29th of May. It's 1 p.m. right now. I'm just sitting down to film. We're having a massive storm here, so Morgan's not at work, but he's out there cleaning his gear. I've got the butchers down there watching him out the window. I'm filming in this little dress thing. It's in part 3 of my plus size haul. And hang on. So I'm filming in this dress, but I thought I'd just show you. Yeah, all comfort on the bottom because it is cold. So you guys only see up here. So I can totally get away with wearing little slippers and tracky pants. So yeah, we aren't doing too much. It is very dreary out there because of the storm. It keeps raining. I've just popped some eye drops in my eyes. They're a bit sore. But I'm about to film a collab look. This will come out, I think, end of next week. She's posting it, so it will be posted on someone else's channel. To keep an eye out for it, and then after it's posted I'll probably share like a short or a reel on Instagram or even both. I might even pop it up on TikTok. So yeah, I'm excited to film this. So don't mind the background noise, Morgan's watching a movie. I have finished filming now. It is I think 5 p.m. I filmed it, made sure it was all good. My grandparents came over. I've just had a shower and took it off because this will be posted after the vlog, so I can't spoil it in the vlog. But let me show you the aftermath of me filming. This look was quite intense, so my desk is quite messy. Yep, that is my desk right now. Fun times. I think I'm gonna sit down before I clean it up. Hi guys, I'm just filming the outro and now Morgan's being super annoying behind me. We're just heading to bed. It's 9:30 at night now. I hope you enjoyed this week's vlog. I apologise for the bad lighting because of Morgan. If you did enjoy this week's vlog, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below. Because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit the subscribe button, change the notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And do we have a Macy?
Yeah, she's definitely.
Macy, come here. You want to say goodbye to the vlog? There she is. You said bye-bye. Oh, hi, baby. We went to the doggy park today, didn't we? You had fun at the park. You made lots of friends. And Evie went for a walk. So we will see you in the next vlog. Bye, guys.